this event today. How do you think it turned out so far?
I think the turnout was great, especially being on Mother's Day. I really thought there would be a lot of people that wouldn't be able to make it. I'm glad they were. So it should be a good day. We got good weather for it too.
I just started flying and I was like, I couldn't stop. Well, it's been probably like 6 or 7 months. I couldn't stop. Every single one of my weekends goes to drone racing. I have no other hobby yet right now. No video games, no movies, anything. Just racing.
I think the track is marvelous. Brian has done a nice job. It's not the first track that I've flown under his rule. He is known for having nice speed courses and interesting tree obstacles, so I'm really a big fan of it today, and it's great to have nice weather and a good showing, so especially on Mother's Day.
What do you think of the track today?
I think it's pretty neat. It's different from any of the ones I've seen the guys run. The corkscrew seems to be pretty interesting today for some of the flyers, but it's pretty cool today.
What do you think of the track out here today?
Fast course. A lot of speed. We're gonna see a lot of carnage, maybe. Hopefully it's not mine.
I'm crazy. I got 666. That's definitely enough to make it to race off. Maybe enough to just qualify straight up. It's such a rush. It was amazing. Woo!
How's it feel to qualify?
I feel like I want a beer and a nap. That's pretty stressful, but it was a lot of fun. I got 5th. I was looks like we have a 3-way race off for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th.
This race is a race-off for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th position of the day. These 3 pilots tied in points for best 3 rounds out of 5.
Woo! Oh! Took the gate down.
Andres gets 2nd, Kova gets 3rd.
I'm just doing it for fun, man.
Took the gate out.
It's a good one. What happened? That's how you finish it, fucking DVR.
Take over for Turtle.
Yeah.
Daddy takes over for Turtle.
Thank you.
Yeah, baby. Oh, that whole battery was crazy recovery after.
Dude, 4x3.
I'm a organizer in multi-GP, so kind of from that angle, I really like everything they do to help organizers. All the gates and stuff you see, they send to you for free, and really you don't have to do a whole lot to get it. You just have to hold a fence, and everybody likes to fly, so it's easy to hold a fence.
It couldn't be better, honestly.
Yeah, I had Chris, you are the man. Thank you so much for creating something that's been so awesome and so helpful to many of us. Thank you.
Did you have fun today, Tor?
I had a blast. I didn't qualify, but you know what? Flying with these guys was amazing, and it just teaches you a lot more. So it's great. It was a great time. Brian ran a good event.